Well, I know all of you have those paranoid friends that are like, the government's out to get us. Everything is evil and wrong. Well, don't let your paranoid friends let you down, because they're actually true. So, for all of those being paranoid, the Hawaii Senator Ihara has just released a Senate Bill 126, and it was introduced by a Democrat. You can read the bill yourself. SB number 126. Section 1, Chapter 134 of the Hawaii Revised Statutes is amended by adding a new section to Part 3 to be appropriately designed to read as followed. Pocket knives, sale prohibited, and the penalty. Any person who knowingly manufactures, sells, transfers, possesses, or transport a pocket knife in the state shall be guilty of a misdemeanor. A pocket knife means a knife with a blade that folds into the handle and which is suitable for carrying in the pocket. Upon effective date of this act, no person shall import, manufacture pocket knives into the state for the purpose of selling or distributing pocket knives. This act shall take effect January 1st, 2010. America is definitely under attack, and we need to vote these people out of office. It was a retired school teacher in 2001 that allowed assisted knives to be legalized in the state of California. Betty Carnett was a retired school teacher, and she saw the benefit that people had to having pocket knives and being law-abiding citizens. Now we have these new politicians that believe that they need to protect us. Well, you know what? We don't need protection from them, and what we do need is to vote them out of office and support organizations that help people with these matters. Visit kniferights.org. You only have the rights that you are willing to fight for. If you don't know your rights, then you don't have any. Those who trade liberty for security have neither. Criminals love control because it makes their job easier. If the intention of this bill is to protect the citizens of Hawaii, then it is invalid in many forms. Banning knives will only punish those who are law-abiding citizens. Criminals will never be affected negatively by this. It simply will just make all their jobs so much easier. Do not give up your rights. It's time to wake up, America.